Today, I'll show you how to change your profile picture on Indeed and what's actually possible with their current profile settings. If you've been looking for a way to customize how you appear to employers on Indeed, this walkthrough will help you understand exactly what you can and can't do right now so you don't waste time looking for options that simply aren't there. Let's start from the very beginning by signing in. Open your web browser and go to the Indeed website. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to log in, usually at the top right corner. Click that, then enter your email address and password associated with your Indeed account and complete the sign in. If you're already logged in, you'll likely see an avatar with your initials or your account menu in that same top corner. After you're logged in, you'll want to access your profile. On the top navigation bar, look for a link or menu item labeled Profile, My Profile, or something similar. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to the main profile page that employers see when they review your applications or search for candidates. Now, this is where things can get a little confusing because if you're used to platforms like social media sites or other job boards, you might expect to find an option to upload a profile photo or a headshot. On Indeed, though, that option simply does not exist for your main job seeker profile. Instead of a photo, Indeed automatically displays your initials in a colored circle as your visual identifier. You might try clicking on your initials or looking around the page for an edit photo or change picture button. You'll notice that none of those options appear. That's not a glitch or something wrong with your account. Indeed currently does not allow job seekers to upload or change a profile picture for their general profile. The initials-based icon you see is automatically generated from your name, and there is no built-in setting to replace it with a customized image. It's important to understand this limitation so you don't spend time digging through menus or account settings trying to find something that isn't there. Many users assume they're missing a feature, but the platform is simply designed this way. Indeed focuses on your resume, your work history, and your skills rather than on personal photos. If you want to stand out to employers, the best alternative is to make sure the rest of your profile is as strong and complete as possible. While you're on your profile page, take a moment to review your resume, job titles, descriptions, and skills. Make sure your contact details are up to date, your work experience is accurate, and your summary clearly explains who you are as a professional. That's what recruiters will rely on the most when they view your profile. To recap, you log into Indeed, go to your profile page, and you'll see that your account uses your initials instead of a profile photo. At this time, there is no supported way to change that to an actual picture. If Indeed updates this feature in the future, you may see new options appear directly in your profile settings, but as of now, your initials are the only profile image you'll have. So, while you can't upload a profile picture on Indeed, you can still make a strong impression by polishing your profile content and resume.